Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Procreate. So if they go in here, we can see up here we have the color. We can change it right here on value. And there's a bunch of different settings. Right here is harmony. You can just change with every color. You don't have to do any settings. Here's disk. You can change the middle. And then if you change the outline, it changes the middle. Right here in classic, you can just change it. It's pretty much like the middle and the part, and then you can change the color whatever you want. Palettes, you have any of the colors, can type in stuff. Go to cards, you have quite a few colors. You can even rename your own. If you go here into brush, you can draw anything you want. If you go over to the side, you can change the thickness. Right here, the density. So right here, it's not that dense. And then if I change it, 50%, each bar can be see-through. If you undo that at the bottom of those, back to cards, you can click on black, and then the size, I have these little notches that you can change it to. So if you put it in the middle, and there's this, but if you have it in the middle, you can tap on it again, click the plus, and that adds a new notch, so you can just easily put it on there and remember what your favorite type is. Right here in actions, you can do anything like insert photos. You can adjust stuff here. Some of my favorites are up there. So if I pick a color, draw, and anything. Then you go here, you do any of these adjustments, pick what you want to adjust, and then do sharpen. You can have blur to make it very blurry. And then, if you want, you can go to liquify, choose what you want to do. Right here I picked push. You can just push it around so it's all liquid. Then, back here, you can choose noise. You can choose an area, and then you can select it. Do anything you want with it. Like this. Now here in layers, you can add layers, delete anything, can lock them, which means you can't draw on them. You can also do alpha lock, you have to unlock it to even delete it. So in this layer, I'm just drawing in that layer, and the other one's completely untouched. Right here, alpha lock, I can't draw on it at all. So if I undo it, delete, clear, unlock, and clear. Right here we have all the brushes. You can choose any brush you want. You can choose textures, airbrushing, artistic, painting, drawing, inking, sketching, anything you want. So right here, I'm going to go to materials. Or how about organic? Paper daisies. Okay. And draw anything I want with them. Yeah, they're all flowers. And now here I can name the colors, like I said before. Here's an eraser. Choose the size on the eraser. Again, you can add any notches and erase it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.